Good evening, all of you. Once again, welcome to Zero to Champ series of table tennis. Till date, we learned how to play backhand push and forehand push. The backhand push and the forehand push we used to play where the ball is at the very low level and we cannot hit the ball, and if we try to hit it will engulf in the net portion. So we have to put our racket down and push it just simply, not attacking, just pushing it over the net. Now in case the ball is getting quite high and we are able to hit it quite hard as compared to push, so we have to develop a different stroke that is called counter or attack, you can call flat, you can call topspin. The first part of learning of this stage is forehand counter, as this backhand counter and this is forehand counter. We'll just observe the stroke playing by two players, Hani Rai and Shubhi. They are playing forehand counter. This stroke is called forehand counter, where you have to supersede your opponent. Then you have to play attacking stroke, and this stroke is called forehand counter. Now, how to play forehand counter? What are the positions? So we have to hold the racket similarly, no change in grip. The holding position of grip will be similar. Now, the racket was in the position where we have to force the ball over the net. So this angle will be changed because now we are going to hit ball from the upper part of the ball towards lower region. So we will keep our racket quite higher, and the hand, this forehand should be at the parallel level to the table, and this racket is in align with this lower muscle of our forearm. Now the important fact, when beginners like you start playing counter, they are not able to connect the ball at the right place. So it is a simple phenomenon. So when you are playing ball quite early, after pitching the ball, when we are hitting the quite early, you can see the racket face is facing towards outside the table, and generally the beginners make this mistake. They hit the ball like this and ball goes out. And if you play ball too late, then ball direction will be towards the down the line. Now you can see the face of the racket that is going down the line. So there is in between the place where you can hit the ball, where the angle of the racket is within the forehand part, or it is not going to out of the table anyways. So this is the right position, and ball will land in between or forehand or backhand as per your requirement. But for the beginner players, I have some technique, rather some good lesson to get the ball on the table even in the initial stage. Now this is the straighter position. It is in align with my hand, forehand. It is quite forward position. It is once again aligned, and now this position is quite backward position. Now at this position, when we hit the ball, now you can see when the racket is quite behind my hand, or you can say this grip, it's quite backwards position. So even if you hit the too early, now you can see the ball racket faces towards the forehand corner. It is only to the forehand corner. Worst you can take now this, at you hitting at too early space, even this is at this corner. So ball is not going to out. Now at any position you hit the ball, here, any time you hit the ball, यहाँ पे, ball is going to land. And this position will definitely going to help the beginners. So if they keep this grip like this, so many of the times, many of the players throw the ball out of the forehand corners. So this is first lesson. The angle of the racket it is almost 90 degree. I want this, it should be like 80 degree tilted towards opponent side. It should be tilted forward and 80 degree almost. So the chances of ball going high or going out of the table will also negligible. Now this forehand counter has a mixture of two strokes. One is hitting forward, one is hitting forward to produce a horizontal force, and if we hit horizontally, so when you're hitting and up to this point, and after this forehand goes towards our forehead, so this gives a chance of ball to lift over the net. So this is a combination of two strokes. First hitting the ball, and second lifting the ball. So this combined combination, hitting and lifting, will keep the ball over the net, and it will land because of the angle of 80 degree angle. It will land inside the table and forehand. So this is one of the most important stroke forehand, and most of the strokes are based on this forehand counter. So thank you very much. Next session will take off backhand counter.